Today's reaction is Pool Construction Update by Deck created by the Birdo family. Like, the link to the video will be the description below. Go and check them out. So let's get into this reaction in 3, 2, 1.
Hey, we're getting ready to pour the concrete deck. So you gotta get up, man. You're gonna have to help smooth it, and you can feather brush it.
Let's move it. Let's move it.
Alright, I'll meet you downstairs. Brady, make sure he gets up, okay?
He's coming along really nice.
Let it stay back from the coast and let it push it up into the pool water.
Wow, the deck is really nice. Wow. The, there was a pool construction update deck created by the Birdo family. The deck looks really nice. 10 out of 10 deal. A link to the video will be the description below. Go and check them out. And drop a like if you like. And comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one. And subscribe if you're new. And click the bell to be notified when I upload. Bye.